India has successfully tested its indigenously developed military combat parachute system from an altitude of 32,000 feet, marking a milestone to boost self-reliance in defense technology.
A leaked Russian industry document reportedly shows that China plans to acquire 20 Il-78 Mk-90A aerial refueling aircraft from Russia, with deliveries expected between 2027 and 2028.
According to information published by the Taipei Times, Taiwan's executive yuan has approved a $1.4 billion plan to scale domestic drone production through 2030. The program aims to strengthen local defense manufacturing and position Taiwan as democratic hub for unmanned systems in Asia.
Indian MKU Limited has signed $75 million contract with Indian Army for supply of nearly 30,000 night vision weapon sights. The agreement covers 29,762 Netro NW 3000 night vision weapon sights, designed and manufactured under India's indigenously designed, developed and manufactured category.